Welcome! In this video, I'll show how to change your microphone settings to a headset on Telegram. This is especially useful if you want clearer voice messages or prefer using an external mic for better audio quality. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure your headset is already connected, whether it's wired or via Bluetooth, so Telegram can detect it properly. Once you're inside the app, look at the top corner and tap on the menu icon, the three horizontal lines. This will open up the main navigation panel. From here, tap on Settings. This is where you can control everything related to your Telegram experience. Next, go to Chat Settings. This section includes all the options related to messaging, media, and sound preferences. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Media and Sound. Take your time here as there are several options grouped together. In this section, look for Microphone for voice messages and tap on it. This is where you can choose which microphone Telegram uses when recording audio messages. You'll now see available options. If your headset is properly connected, you should see it listed here. Simply select Headset. Once selected, Telegram will automatically use your headset microphone whenever you send voice messages. This can significantly improve clarity and reduce background noise compared to your phone's built-in mic. And that's it. You've successfully switched your microphone to a headset on Telegram. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more quick guides like this to get the most out of your apps.